In today's global economy, investing in stocks can be a powerful way to grow wealth over time. But before we dive into how to start investing, let's first understand what stocks actually are. What are stocks? Stocks, also known as shares or equities, represent partial ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you're purchasing a small piece of that company, becoming a shareholder. Key points about stocks ownership. Each share represents a fraction of ownership in the company. The more shares you own, the larger your stake in the company. Voting rights at shareholder meetings, potential to receive dividends if the company distributes profits, claim on assets if the company liquidates. Value fluctuation. Stock prices change constantly based on supply and demand, influenced by company performance, economic conditions, and market sentiment. Types of stocks. Common stocks, standard shares with voting rights. Preferred stocks, usually no voting rights, but priority for dividends and asset claims. Stock markets. Stocks are bought and sold on stock exchanges. Examples: New York Stock Exchange, Nasdaq, London Stock Exchange. Company financing. Companies issue stocks to raise capital for growth, research, or other needs. This is called an initial public offering, or IPO, when a company first goes public. Understanding these fundamentals is crucial before you start investing in the stock market. Investing in stocks is more than just buying and selling. It's participating in the global economy and potentially benefiting from the growth of companies worldwide. As we've explored in this video, stocks represent partial ownership in a company, giving you a stake in its success. The stock market is a complex ecosystem influenced by countless factors, from company performance to global events. Starting your investment journey requires careful preparation, including education, financial assessment, and strategy development. Diversification and long-term thinking are key principles for managing risk and potential returns. Remember, the stock market can be volatile in the short term, but historically has shown long-term growth. Regular review and continuous learning are essential parts of your investment journey. While stocks offer potential for high returns, they also come with risks. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. Investing in stocks is just one part of a comprehensive financial strategy. Consider how stock investments fit into your broader financial goals, including retirement planning, emergency savings, and other investments. At Global Finance Watch, we're committed to providing you with the knowledge and insights you need to navigate the complex world of global finance. Whether you're just starting with stocks or looking to deepen your investment strategy, we're here to keep you informed. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos on advanced investment strategies, global market trends, and in-depth analyses of economic events shaping our financial world. Disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. Always consult with a qualified financial advisor before making investment decisions.